Meaning of grade.
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 Grade. The term grade typically refers to a measurement of performance or achievement, usually given in an educational context. It is often used to evaluate a student's level of understanding or mastery of a particular subject. Grades are often determined by a combination of factors, such as homework assignments, exams, quizzes, and class participation. They can have a significant impact on a student's academic record, as well as their self-esteem and motivation. Grade inflation, or the practice of awarding higher grades than are deserved, has become a controversial issue in some educational institutions.